The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Subaru Outback Wilderness with the raised side rails. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Pioneer RX platform system. This is using the 49-inch wide by 59-inch long Pioneer platform, the RX 100 leg set. That's all you need for this kit, with an on and off-road capacity of 180 pounds, evenly distributed. This is Rhino-Rack's brand new platform, which is their most aerodynamic and lightweight model to date. So T-slots on both the front and rear cross support, and also the flooring allows for a wide range of different accessories to be mounted to this platform. So great for things like rooftop tents to bicycles and other cargo. But this has just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.